Okay. 1s2 and then 2s2.
Thank you very much. So you see last electron and entering into which one?
S or
S orbital. So lithium is this first member, beryllium is this is also first member, means the other are going to enter into same. So can we say they are the S block element?
okay, yeah.
So last electron entry into S orbital, so known as S block element. Can you please make a note of it?
Yes.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the group 1 and group 2. Now we are going for the another 6 more group I want to teach you because that are very important, right? So let me once more roughly I am making the diagram of this periodic table. You need not to draw again if you have drawn already. Last time what I did, you drawn
Yeah.
yeah. So these are the periodic table. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is going to be 5. This is going to be 6, and last one is going to be, this is going to be 7. So I said this is the 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 make this is going to be what? S block. Yes or no?
Yes.
S block. Okay. Here you see the ending you go. Ending means that is 13, 14, 15, 16 you go. So what are there? This is the going to be 13. Here is 14. This is 15, 16. Oh, one is meeting 13, 14, 15, 16. Then I'm mentioning here, this is the going to be 17, and it's okay. No, it was okay.
Right before
13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, it was correct only. Why unnecessarily I did. It was okay. So here is 17, and this one last one is 18. Okay. Now this one is going to be this one. This one is going to be P block element. P block element. This is going to be P block element. So what are P block element? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Why they are known as P block element? Because last electron is going to enter in this or this one. Okay. Last electron is going to enter into P orbital. What about this one? What about? Can you see in your book? What will be name of this one? Okay. What about this one? So there are groups are there. What is there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. What will be the name of this one? This 10 group.
Aren't they the transition elements?
Transition metal. Thank you. Thank you so much. Transition metal. This is going to be transition metal. But what block we will say? What block? S block, P block, D block, F block, what block? S and P already over. Okay. F block elements are there in the bottom. F block elements are there in the bottom. So which block element will be there in the center? Can you guess? This is the D block element. Getting? D block element. So 10 groups are there for the D block element, and these are the these two are the what is that is F block element. F block element. F block element. F block element. So that is 10 group. Whatever you are naming that transition metal. So that is I told this is the D block. What is the group 1 name? Group 1 name. What you said? Group 1. Can you recall?
Alkali.
Alkali. Alkali metal. Group 2 is alkaline metal, and group 3 to group 12 you said that is transition metal. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. In the here P block they are the, let me write down the group 13. Okay, little bit more information if you know, that will be very much fine for you for the high level, for HLE or chemistry. Okay, second year it will be very much useful to you. So let me try to write here. What is that? Group 13. If you are talking about group 13, so group 13 you see in the your figure you drawn, which is the first element? What is the first element of group 13?
I didn't write it.
See?
I don't know. I didn't. I didn't write it. Lithium,
Oh,
beryllium.
so this what that is: boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, and this was the helium. Okay, then again I filled it out. That is what I filled here. That is aluminum. Here it is silicon. Okay, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. We filled initially. I did here some element. Here is the lithium. Okay, this is beryllium. Here is sodium. Okay, magnesium, aluminum. Here is what? Potassium. This is calcium, scandium, that is titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron. Here is cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, copper, zinc. Here is that is gallium. This is going to be germanium. Here is arsenic. This is selenium. This is the bromine, and that is krypton. Only up to 36 you need to memorize. Other element you need not to memorize. So 13 element, if you are talking about, that is called boron family. This is called boron family. 13 element is called boron family. Okay, but they all is coming into P block. This is P block. What are the element if we talk about? If you are memorizing boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Okay, so this much detailing is not required, but you can write down the symbol. The first one is boron, then aluminum, then gallium, indium, and thallium. These many elements are there. Now, if you go for the group number 14, so that is called carbon family. This is called carbon family. And if you are naming carbon family, so carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. Sn means tin. Sn, if you are knowing, that is tin, and that is Pb, if you are knowing, that is lead. Okay, Lead. Now go for the group 15. Group 15, if you are talking about group 15, that is called nitrogen family. Group 15 means what? That is nitrogen family. Nitrogen family means, how can we write? That is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. These many elements are there. So that is the nitrogen family. Are you writing this boron family? Yeah. Write down. I'll send you the that is what the book I am having now, that I will to send you. Pearson book I am having. Pearson for the IB chemistry. I have the Pearson book. You also share with me your book. I will share the books to you. Can I erase? Can I erase?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So that is group 15 is there now. Two, three groups also you write. Okay. So I will tell you some of the point related to, you know. So the group number here you see, if you talk about group number 16, that is called oxygen family. Oxygen family. Okay, this is the oxygen family. And if you talk about, it is oxygen sulfur. I remember, do you know, I know all the element: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and that was here little bit mistakes I did here. These are there. Little bit change. Nepal, Pakistan, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, Sb and Bi. Here is there. Here little bit mistake were there. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. And if you are talking about group 17, that is called halogen family. This is called halogen family. And if you see halogen family, what are the elements? Here is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine, AT. They are. The last group I reached, that is group number 18. Group 18 is called noble gases. Noble
Mm.
gases. Noble gases. Okay. Uh, Noble gases. Now let me tell you what do you mean by noble gases. Noble gases are one more name is there, or that is also called inert gases. Inert gases. What are this one? These are example: helium, neon, organ. Okay, going to be krypton, then xenon, and that is last one is radon. Okay, these are the noble gases. They are all known as noble gases. One question they have given in your book: why they are saying why group 18 elements are called noble gases. Elements are non-reactive gases. Non-reactive gases. They wrote like that, non-reactive.
It's because they all satisfy the octet rule, so there's
Ah,
no the valency is
God, very
zero.
good, very good, very good. Super, super. Mhm. They have completely filled octet or duplet. That is why they are known as noble gases. Okay, inert gases. Can I erase this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me try to write down the some of the problems here. Why? No, why? No, in what group? In what groups? Okay, group transition metal. In what group? Transition metal kept. Transition metal kept. Okay, 1 and 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 13 to 18, 3 to 12, 3 to 14. What can be our answers?
3 to 12.
Yeah. So this is the 3 to 12 our transition. Question number 2. What are transition metal? What are transition metal? What are transition metal? What are transition metal? Tell me.
Mm, they
Hmm.
uh,
Hmm.
they're D block elements, and
Thank
they
you. Ha, 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 ha.
go from group 3 to 12.
Yeah. D block element. Thank you very much for nice replying. Okay, good only. What a transition element? That is transition. Do you know meaning of the transition? Transition.
Yeah,
What is meaning?
it's
Phase.
from
Phase.
one
Huh.
from one thing to another. It's
Thank
like
you.
the
Thank you. Means that is a bridge. Bridge. You know bridge. So
yeah
whatever in the Russia and Ukraine war, once the soldier, what they said, that is one long bridge is there, okay, on the river. That is the connecting between Russia and Ukraine. So what the one soldier they did, they blast the bridge. They blast the bridge, and okay. So when they blast the bridge, one soldier also got died in that. What happened during that? The one bridge got totally blast, so that reaching the Russian soldier to the Ukraine takes to the 1 2 day more, because again they need to make the that is the steel bridge. So it takes 2 days. It means that is bridge was connecting between the two nations. Yes, yeah, no.
yeah
Now you see this one. You see this one. See, these two are the metal. S block element are the metal. I told you they are the metal. Okay, and they are the non-metal. Here the almost non-metal. See, nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, fluorine gas, neon gas, carbon non-metal. Okay, boron is metallite. So what they are saying, they are the non-metal, and here is the metal. So between metal and non-metal, you see, between metal and non-metal, they are having the property. Transition metal is having property of between metal and non-metal. Yes, yeah, no.
yeah yes
So they are working as a transition between the S and P block element. Yes, yeah, no.
yes
So they are known as transition metal. Okay. So since I'm writing here, the properties of since the properties of D block element D block elements lies between, they are saying lies between, what lies between S block metal, that is S block metal, and P block, non-metal, and P block here is what, that is non-metal, P block non-metal. So they are known as what? So they are known as what? Known as transition metal. Will you be able to understand this one?
Yes.
Okay. So they are the transition metal. Okay. Hmm. Okay. This. Will you be able to understand these things? Can I erase this one?
Yes.
Okay. So distribution of electronic configuration over noble gases they have given in the details. Okay, metal and non-metal. So what we are going to do, Mika, in the next class, okay, we'll be able to study metal and non-metal, metals and non-metals. Okay, in the next class, we will be able to study detailed metals and non-metals, right? So what before that, what I'm going to do, whatever the problems they have given, I am just putting you WhatsApp. Can I put the WhatsApp or should I do mail?
You can put in WhatsApp. I think that's better.
Okay, so I'm putting you the on the WhatsApp and expecting that you will also take the pic and send me back. That is the whatever the other topics are there related to atomic structure and periodic properties. Okay, so that we can learn everything. Okay, so for today it's okay. In the next class we are going to study the metal and non-metal in detail. Right?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye. 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 Take care.